Okay, so I just got my Purple Carrot delivery in the mail this week, and I've done a previous video over the Purple Carrot meal kits, the ones where they send the ingredients and the recipes, and then you have to cook the meals. But I actually haven't been getting those lately because I've been pretty busy with school and work, and I don't have time to cook, and I didn't want the meals to go to waste in my fridge, so I haven't been getting them lately. But I noticed the other day that they actually have started offering the option to get pre-made meals that you heat up. And so I was like, oh, well, this will be ideal for me. So until I get all caught up with work and school, I can start getting these pre-made meals. So this is my first shipment of those pre-made meals, and so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and then review of it. So I've already ripped open the box, but I just wanted to start by showing how it comes packaged, because in case anyone cares about that. So it does come in their standard box with plastic tape. And then when you open the box, it's got pretty much the same packaging as their ingredients kits. So it's got this Clima-Cell thing that, like I said in my other video, some recycling places will take it as paper. Other places won't, so just double check to see if you can recycle this. Otherwise, like, I throw it in my compost. But yeah, so here's what they look like. So they come, packaged with this that can be recycled, but clearly, this is plastic. It's type 1 plastic. And yeah, so I haven't tried any of them yet, but I think I'll go ahead and try them all this week and then come back later with kind of a review of what I thought and how they tasted. Actually, one of the things I was kind of worried about was that the portion sizes were going to be a little small, because I had tried a while back Bistro, I think, and I think I felt like those portion sizes were too small. And that was one thing that I liked about the Purple Carrot meals that I cooked, was they generally had pretty large portion sizes. It was definitely enough to fill me up, if not enough to fill me up and have leftovers. So we'll see how this goes as far as that. It does have the ice packs. It looks like there's 2 here. There may be a couple in the bottom. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this all out of the box, and then I'll show you all the different varieties that I got. Okay, so yeah, those were all in here, and then they've got one of these inserts like they normally have in their other boxes, and then it came with 3 ice packs. Okay, so here are the meals that I got. Cashew broccoli stir fry, root vegetable skillet, mushroom cacciatore, Thai noodles, chilled 3-bean salad, roasted vegetable pilaf, and Indian butter tofu. And they sound like basically like the type of recipes that I would get from Purple Carrot. So I went and looked at my account, and so this order was more expensive than my normal order. My normal order is about $72, and that comes out to like $11.99 per serving, and I generally get 6 servings. And I knew this one was a little bit more. It was like, I think it was $91 this time. And I knew it was going to be more because I actually got 7 servings with this. I got 7 of them. I wanted to have one for every day of the week. That way I wouldn't have to cook anytime. But I just looked, and these are actually $1 more per serving than the other ones. So they are just a little bit more expensive. And I also looked at the serving size, and so they're all, it looks like, between 300 and 400 grams. And so I wasn't sure how that compared, and so I kind of looked through some of the other recipes, and some of the other recipes were like 350, 310. So some of them did fall in this range, but then some of the other recipes, the serving size was like 500-600 grams. So I'm not sure how much actual food compared to some of those other meals that I have, if it's going to be as filling. So I guess I guess we'll see. But so far it all looks really good. And so I am, well, it says this one you can eat cold. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying these. I'm gonna have my first one tonight, and I will try to post some updates throughout the week to let you know what I think. Is I started to put these in the freezer, and then I realized I'm like, I don't think these are frozen, and I don't know, I guess just because they come like frozen meals. And then I looked and it says to keep refrigerated, so, and eat by this date. So that's what I did. Got open the fridge, and I'm just gonna, I don't even know which is which. I'm just gonna pull the first one off and go from there. Okay, so for tonight, for my first one, I just pulled the first one off the top, and it was this Indian butter tofu. And here's what it looks like. And the instructions say pull back the film about 1 inch, heat on high for 2 minutes, let sit for 2 minutes, and stir. So I will do that. I think that's the wattage on my microwave, so should be good to go. There's the ingredients. Nutrition information. All right, I'm gonna go stick it in the microwave. Okay, so my microwave is actually only 900 watts, but it seems like it feels pretty warm. Looks like the 2 minutes was good enough on that. So I am going to open it up. And actually, I'm going to open it up and then I'm going to put it into this bowl. Alright, so here's how it looks straight out the microwave. Alright, so here's how it looks in the bowl. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, for day number 2, I'm gonna have this cashew broccoli stir fry. Same thing, pull back the film, heat for 2 minutes, let sit for 2 minutes. Alright, here's how it looks straight out of the microwave. Alright, and here's how we've got it in the bowl. Yesterday's was good. I am someone who likes a lot of salt though, so I did have to add salt to it, but it was still pretty good and pretty filling, so hopefully today's is good too. Alright, so here is my meal for day 3. I'm trying the root vegetable skillet. Again, it looks like they all cook exactly the same, so it's, you know, pretty simple. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. And also this week, I'm gonna try and start tracking my meals in my FitnessPal. So yeah, so I've got the nutrition facts right here, so this will be easy to add it into my FitnessPal. Okay, and before I put it in, I just want to show you, here's what it looks like coming in, and then I will just, I don't know, I've been lifting this side. It says to, you know, pull back the film about 1 inch, and I've been doing this side. It looks like in all of them, one side has kind of like a grain, like rice, or yeah, I think all of them so far have had like some sort of rice on this side or grain, and then it's had kind of like the main entree on the other side, and I've been opening up that side. I don't know if it matters. It seems like it all gets cooked, so. All right, so it's just out of the microwave. And I just wanted to, it's pretty hot whenever you get it out of the microwave to carry. So I don't know, I had an aunt that made one of these for me a long time ago. And so you might want to put a towel or something underneath it while it's in the microwave so you can grab it out. That's just what I would suggest, but yeah, I'm gonna plate it up. Okay, so it may not look the greatest, but it actually smells really, really good. I didn't read the box, but it has to have pesto in it. That's what it smells like, and I think this is going to be really good. Okay, so this is actually my last one. I had 7 of them, but I didn't film myself eating like the last 2 because it was basically all the same thing. I mean, they all were fine, you know. They all come the same way, but this one is just a little bit different because you don't have to put it in the microwave. All of the other ones, it was, you know, vented a little bit, microwave it for 2 minutes. I ended up doing it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds because my microwave was only 900 watts, and so like the second day I think it didn't get quite hot enough. But yeah, just play around with it for your microwave. But today this one is just to be eaten chilled, so I'm just gonna open it and eat it out of here. And also, I don't know why all the days I took the time to put it into a different bowl. Like, I think I'm just used to like plating things up for Instagram to make them look nicer. Yeah, I totally could have just eaten them out of this and not dirtied up a bowl. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. And for any of them that I have in the future, I'm just gonna heat them up and eat them out of this container. So